You're still doing everything yourself? That's cute. Here are 5 free AI tools that literally do the work for you. No coding, no stress, just results. Stick till the end because number 5 can replace an entire team. First up, Notion AI. It writes your notes, summaries, and plans inside Notion, like having a secretary who never complains or eats your snacks. Perfect for students, creators, or anyone pretending to be organized. Second, Pika Labs. Type what you imagine, and it turns it into a video. That's right, text to video. No camera, no editing, just vibes and AI cinematography. Third, Gamma app. It turns your rough ideas into clean presentations or documents in seconds. Basically, PowerPoint that doesn't give you trauma. Fourth, Opus Clip. Upload a long video, and it automatically cuts the best moments into short viral clips. It's like having a YouTube editor who works 24/7 for free. And finally, the combo nobody talks about, ChatGPT plus Zapier. Together, they can automate your whole workflow. Emails, reports, social posts, all handled while you sip coffee and pretend to be productive. These are the AI tools doing people's jobs better than people. Use them before they use you. And if you want more AI hacks, tools, and real examples that make you look like a genius, subscribe to DDON Labs. We make AI simple, powerful, and dangerously fun.